Today we're going to take a look at how to open your printer's print queue. The first thing you need to do is come down to the left of your screen and click the Windows button to open your Start menu. From there, you'll click the Settings gear. On this screen, you'll click up here in the search box and type Printer. You'll select this option for printers and scanners. On this screen, you'll look for the name of your printer and select it with your mouse by left-clicking. Then you will open the queue by clicking the Open Queue button here. Any documents that you may have in your queue will show up in this window here. We hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe this video for more how-tos. Thank you.